Hello, fellow humans. I'm Brian Edwards from Gravity Union, helping you get the most out of Microsoft AI. The other day, I was presenting a webinar on the various ways that you can build agentic apps with Microsoft tools. And someone asked the question, what does agentic mean? Yeah, good question. This is a word that has taken over social media and AI worlds quite a bit. So let's break it down. I hope you've noticed that automation is playing an increasingly more important role in how work gets done. I mean, I think most of us have the image of automation through the pictures we've seen about car manufacturing, for example. We went from Ford's assembly line with a bunch of workers to increasingly leveraging robotics to do the dirty work of car assembly. These days, automated robots do the majority of car manufacturing, from creation and molding to assembly and painting. But what makes the agentic era different? Well, the word agent comes from Latin, and it means to do and act and lead. And when we think of it in a psychological context, it means to have agency, which is some level of self-determination. So the term agent was first used to describe the role of AI way back in the 1980s. And it's a term that's been used a lot these days to simply mean automating something. But today's use of agent and agentic means a bit more. In an agentic organization, agents don't simply follow and do repetitive simple tasks, such as a simple workflow. But today's use of agentic and agent means a bit more. In an agentic organization, agents don't simply do repetitive and simple tasks, such as following a workflow. Agents now have thinking power, powered by AI. This lets the agents not only follow a path, but also consider which path they should follow. So for example, agents can now take in new inputs and compare and contrast them to each other, ask for more information when they don't have enough, observe and respond to unpredictable inputs in a self-sufficient way. They can weigh options, research, or consider alternative responses. And agents can use reasoning to make a decision. Reasoning that you can instruct and teach and grow over time. So in the agentic enterprise, we'll see more and more automation where you once had to pause and force a human to intervene. With Microsoft specifically, this could be anything from using a tool like Copilot to build a daily agent to read your emails and perhaps not only summarize them, but tell you the priority of your email, or by using Copilot Studio to tackle a more complex enterprise workflow where an agent is contemplating a situation or an input, and then using reasoning to move it along. For advanced organizations, you're going to see agents acting as kind of a junior team member, acting like an assistant or a project manager, a junior developer, doing the jobs most people don't like to do. If you want a first-hand view of how to build agents using Microsoft AI, give Gravity Union a call. And there you have it. Who doesn't want an agent to do the dirty work? If you found this informative, like, comment, and follow, all the things. I'm Brian Edwards, helping you hand off the boring.